Everybody copy this question and tell me the answer. Yes, tell me the answer. Copy the question fast, quick. The question is, a man borrowed 800 rupees at 9% and paid after 9 months. The amount paid is. Let's see who will tell the answer first, quick. In 1 minute, you have to tell the answer. Not more than that. Everybody on your videos. Everybody on your videos. Yeah, copy the question fast and tell me that. I hope you already copied. Yes, tell me the answer fast. A man borrowed 800 rupees at 9% and paid after 9 months. The amount paid is dash. Yes, what is the answer? The answer for the question. This is last year question, 2018. Navodaya question. This much time. Yes, now look it on the screen. Yes, everybody look it on the screen.
Sir,
Ah,
57,600.
what is that answer?
57,600.
No, no. Yes, Vamsai, what is the answer? Yes, now look at here.
1,276, sir.
No. Now concentrate here. Yeah, here see, first try to understand the question. A man borrowed 800 rupees. What is the meaning of the borrow? He took that money from the others, right? He took the money from the others. That is how much? 800. Now this my 800 is a what? My principal or not? Yes,
48.
yes, please mute everybody and concentrate here. He borrowed how much? 800. How much we are borrowing from the others? That is called a principal amount, that is P. And here see the symbol percentage. Percentage symbol is always for what? Rate of interest, that is R. Percentage is what? A rate of interest. In the last class I told you that. And paid after how many months? 9 months. So this is what? Time. This is what? Time. And they are what they are asking? Amount. They are asking that what? Amount. Then immediately,
600.
sorry,
376, sir.
no, the amount is just
1,699.
no,
Sir,
no, no,
648.
No, no,
48.
no, 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 no. Concentrate here. Amount. Immediately you have to what to do? Write the immediate amount formula. Amount formula is what? Principal plus simple interest. Principal plus simple interest, right? So final we have to find the
Yes.
A value here. So we have that P already they given the question, but we don't have what? Simple interest. So we have to find the first simple interest and then add principal to the simple interest. You will get that amount. So my simple interest known formula PTR by 100. Yes or no? Yes. Then P value is how much? 800 into T value how much? 9 months. What I said to you, when you are using the time, this should be in the years, right? So this 9 months is, Om Sai, mute your voice. Yes, this 9 months should be in year, time should be in years, and I already told you that, right? Time should be in what? Years. So this 9 months converted to into years, what to do? Divide by 12. This is my time. Now cancel it. 3 table. 3 threes are 3 fours are. So what is my time? 3 by 4 years. Forget about, sorry, this is what? 3 by 4 years. Now write here time value how much? 3 by 4 by rate of interest is what? 9%. This should be in the percentage. Then after that what to do? Divide by denominator is how much? 100. Yes. Then after the last, here 2 zeros, here 2 zeros cancel. Then after here 4 4 ones are this 4 in denominator, 4 ones are 4 twos are. Then after that anything is possible? No. Then multiply it. This all numbers are numerator only. Here 3 is a numerator and 9 is numerator only. Don't cancel this. 3 ones are 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6. This 3 twos are 6, 6 nines are 54. So I got that my simple interest, how much I have to pay. What is the meaning of simple interest? I have to pay the extra amount to the person. That is how much? 54 rupees I have to pay. But they are asking the 54? No. They are what they are asking? Amount. Our amount formula is principal P plus simple interest, that is SI. Now we already knows the principal value is how much? 800. The given that.
Sir,
Yes.
854, sir. Answer 800 plus 54.
అబ్బో మాకు రాదు మరి 800 plus 54 how much? 854. ఏం హర్షవర్ధన్?
సార్ నేను చేయలేదు సార్, అది మైండ్ తోనే అట్లా జీరోలు ఉన్నాయి కదా సార్, జీరోలు బదులు
ఈడ 800 కి 54 కి అడిషన్ చేయడానికి పెన్ను పేపర్ కావాలి.
నో సార్, అట్లనే చేయొచ్చు.
మరి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలి. ఎప్పుడు చెప్పాలి? క్వశ్చన్ రాసినప్పుడు చెప్పాలి. ఈడ మొత్తం రాసిన తర్వాత చెప్పకపోయినావు సార్ ఆన్సర్ 854 సార్ అని.
సార్ నేను ఆడిషన్ ఆన్సర్ చెప్పినా సార్, ఫుల్ ఆన్సర్ చెప్పలేదు.
ఫుల్ ఇక్కడ అడిషన్ చెప్పనికి నువ్వు ఒక్కర్లే, ఎల్కేజీ వాడు కూడా చెప్తాడు ఇది. ఎస్, కాపీ దిస్. ఏం శివరామకృష్ణ, వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్?
Nothing.
Where you did the mistake?
Yes.
Yes, Ratna. Copy fast. Completed this.
Complete.
Yes. Then the next question. The interest, copy this. The interest paid on rupees 600 for 3 1/2 years. This is mixed fraction. 3 1/2 years at 5% per annum. 5% per annum. Is dash. Is dash. Yes. Now tell me the answer for this question. The interest paid on 600 rupees for 3 1/2 3.5 years at 5% per annum. Yes, Harshavardhan, now tell me the answer.
Okay, sir.
Fast, quick, 1 minute. Otherwise, anybody explain how to solve this problem? Are you copied question?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Fast, fast, fast.
Yes, sir.
How much time?
100.
Sir,
Ah,
80, sir.
80. Wrong answer. Ah, Shivarama Krishna.
Sir, the mixed fraction do multiply, sir.
हाँ. How
Sir,
much?
630, sir.
Wrong answer.
Sir, answer 705.
705. Wrong answer. It is not 5, but not 705. Last two zeros, last two digits are 05. Before that, one digit is there.
7.
Very good. That is 705 is the correct answer. Wrong answer. It is answer is 105.
I'm telling that only, no, sir. You're telling wrong.
You said that 80.
I said 80, sir. He, mixed fraction I converted into improper fraction, sir. 2, 3, 6 plus I didn't add it, sir. Plus 1 I didn't add it. Again I added means 7. Okay? On that time 105 came, sir.
Sir,
Did you
1
got-
by 5.
Did you got the 105 is the answer?
Yes,
1 by
sir.
5.
Not 1 by 5, 105. Yes. Now here, look at here, everybody. The simple interest paid. Simple interest paid means what? What we have to find? We have to find the simple interest. Simple interest, that is SI. Simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. This is the formula. Finally, we have to use this formula. Okay, now coming to here, what they given? On 600. On 600 means what? This is principal P. Time is how much? Years they given. Time is what? 3.5 years. We have to convert into the mixed fraction into proper. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 2 years. Then coming here, 5%. 5% means is the rate of interest. Now do you have all the values or not? Yes. Then substitute here. 600 into time is 7 by 2 into interest 5%, that is 5 divided by 100. Now cancel it. 2 zeros cancel. 2 1s are 2 3s are. After that anything is there? Nothing is there. Then add it. 3 into 7. 3 7s are 21. 21 into 5, 105. Your simple interest is 105. Your simple interest how much, Nana? 105.
Sir, my sir also 105 also.
Very good. And here they are asking that what? Simple interest. If they will ask that amount, then your answer is
600.
705.
very good. 600 plus 105. 600 plus 105 is equal to
705.
705 is the answer. Okay, then
I'm
answer.
one.
Yes, the next question. Find the, do it fast. Find the amount
पेपर की जगह में तो हाथ पैर
mute it. Om Sai, I am getting a disturbance from your side every day. Amount on a principal of rupees 750 at 16% per year PA for 3 months. Yes, answer. Let's see who will tell the answer in less than 1 minute. Yes, Ratna, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ratna, how are you after long time?
Fine,
Huh?
sir.
Can you join from now onwards regularly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, join as when the class is there at 9 a.m. Sharp at 9 a.m. you start that. Okay, otherwise you will lose the topics. And there is a
Okay,
chance to prepone your exam, Navodaya exam also. Okay, it may be in the February. So before that, you have to complete the syllabus.
Okay, sir.
Ah. So this topic is called simple interest. Is 100% 3 marks from the topic. In every paper, 3 questions will be must be present from the topic. Yes. Yeah, answer. What is the answer? Cancellation problem. Practice more questions. I am telling the from the beginning onwards. Focus on simplifications.
Sir,
Tables
doing, sir.
fast.
Sir, 1,200.
No.
70.
In this topic, if you are not getting the answers, means you are not able to solving the simplification, calculation, multiplication and divisions. The topic is easy. Only multiplication, simplification, divisions. ఇవే వస్తలేవు అన్నమాట.
Sir, 59.
No.
Sir, answer 760.
760. No.
1050.
No.
789.
Yeah.
Sir, 760.
Sir, answer. Sir, answer.
760.
Yeah, wait. Harshavardhan, tell me.
990, sir.
Wrong answer.
Sir, 760.
Answer in 700, but not 760. Yeah. Now see. Now clear here. What we have to find that? Find the amount. Then write the amount formula here. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Yes or no? First write the formula. What we have to find. And second, on a principal of means this value is what? P. P is 750. What is it? Wait a minute.
Yeah, my. Sir, your mic is muted. Sir, your mic is muted.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. Yeah. Now you understood now this. How I did. This is a P value, R value, 3 is a months. They given the value this in months. So we have to convert into the years. That is 3 by 12. Why that 12 means? For the 1 year, 12 months, that is 3 by 12. 3 ones are 3 fours are. Here I got the time is 1 by 4 years. Then coming to that, A is equal to principal is equal, amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. But we can't find the direct this value. Why? Because we have to find the initially simple interest. Simple interest formula is equal to PTR by 100. And the given P value is 750 into time is 1 by 4 into rate of interest R is 16 by 100 by 100 according to the formula. Then after that 0 0 cancel. Yes, then here denominator 4, here 16, 4 ones are 4 fours are completed. Then the next step, here the 75 and here the 10, 5 table, 5 twos are in 75 in 5 table, 15 fives are. Yes, 15 fives are 75. Then after that anything is there? Yes, here 2 ones are 2 twos are. Right? So finally how much I got? Nothing is there here. Here the number is 15 and here the number is 2 and in between who is the symbols? Into. So 15 twos are 30. So my simple interest value is how much? 30. I got my simple interest how much? 30. And I have to find amount. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. What is the amount? So principal 750.
750 plus 30.
750 plus 30. What is the answer? 30 plus 50.
780, sir.
780. 780 is the answer. Yes. Here nothing is there, Nana. You know formula, simple formula. You know simple data given that. They will give the only trick is what? Either they will give the this year in months or the mixed fraction. If the mixed fraction convert into the proper fraction. If it is in the months, convert into the years by 12. After that, you substitute in the formula, do the simplification. If you guys are not doing means, you only did the mistake here. Yes or no? You did the mistake
Mine's
only
also
here.
there, only concern mistake.
Yes, I know that. There is no chance to do the any other in some way. Here the only possibility to do the mistakes. So rectify your mistakes and do your try to solve the clear cut. Yes,
Sir, one more problem, Gibson.
one more. Okay. Last 5 minutes. I will give the last problem. Let's see who will do this problem. In how many years will be not will rupees 500 amounts, copy the form question, amounts to TO2 rupees 600 at the rate of
Rupees.
rate of 5%. Please mute it. 5% per annum, that is P dot A dot per year at simple interest. At simple interest. I can say that those who do this problem solver, for them 95% there is a chance to get the seat. 95%. Now show me you are capable. 95% there is a chance to get the seat, and this is 2020 paper. You may expect the question from like this same model. In this 2021 paper, you can expect the question paper in the same manner. There is a only changing is about numerical numbers, remaining copy paste. That is guaranteed. 100% expected paper, fast, quick.
సార్ అవి రెండు యాడ్ చేయాలా సార్?
No, I don't know. Understood. Try to understood what they are saying. Try to understand that what they are telling in the question paper. Answer. Is there anybody? Shall I proceed? We don't have the time. Last 4 minutes.
సార్
Yeah, okay. Now see here. Here very
Sir,
important.
950.
950.
సార్
What they
దట్
are-
1 year సార్.
First, what they are asking, Ramakrishna?
ఇయర్ సార్.
They are asking that yes means time t value. 950 years can't be your answer. We have to find that. What is that? Time value. Time value we have to find. Now here, in how many years will 500 rupees amounts to 600? There is a logic here. Here, initially he bought how much rupees? 500 rupees. So this is what my principal. Finally, when he paid to the other somebody, at that time, this 500s will become how much? 600. ఆయన ఇనిషియల్ గా ఒక దగ్గర 500 అప్పు తీసుకున్నాడు రా. కొన్ని రోజుల కొన్ని సంవత్సరాల తర్వాత ఆయన ఎంత పే చేసినాడంటే ఆయనకి 600 రూపీస్ పే చేశాడంట. అంటే ఆయన ఎక్స్ట్రా ఎంత పే చేసిండ్రా? ఆయన తీసుకున్న దానికంటే ఎక్స్ట్రా ఎంత పే చేసిండు? హౌ మచ్ హీ పేడ్ ద ఎక్స్ట్రా?
100.
That one
100.
extra means
100.
extra means simple interest or not?
సార్
Yes, that extra amount is a what? Simple interest. Initially he purchased, he bought that how much? He borrowed 500 rupees and finally he paid that 600 rupees. Now see the difference between these 200. That is what extra money. Extra money means interest, that is simple interest value they given in the question. And the rate and p value 500. P value how much? 500. Initially how much he borrowed that? 500. So that is always principal, and the rate of interest is how much? 5%. Then find the time value. Can you find the time value or not? SI is equal to PTR by 100. SI is equal to PTR by 100. And here SI value given, that is how much? 100 here is equal to P value 500. And time value we have to find, and R value, rate of interest, 5 by 100. Yes or no? Yes. Then cancel it, 0 zeros cancel. Then 5 into 5, 25. Here the number, here 5 is there. 5 5s are 25. This 25 into t, this 25 comes to this side. What happens? Into 25 comes to here. By here already 100 by 25. 25 ones are 25 fours are. So my time value here, only the number time. My time is how much? 4 years. This is the question. Question and solution. You can expect the question paper same similarly they will change only the numerical value. Remaining is copy paste 100%. Yes guys, thank you. Copy it fast.
Answer 4, sir.
Answer is 4
Copy it,
years.
sir.
Copy it, sir.
Copy it, sir.
The 4, sir. Answer.
Yes, 4 years is the answer.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, boom.